Are you planning to buy a bike? Then you better watch this video up to the end because I'm going to share with you the top 5 things you need to know before you buy your first motorbike. And these are actually answers from people who own motorbikes. I asked this question in the African Motorcycle Diaries. The question was, what is the one thing you wish you knew before buying your bike? And from the responses I got, I have been able to pick the top 5 things you need to know before you buy your motorbike. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to Sterling Bikers, where we have serious fun. Serious because we need to take care of our safety when we are on the motorbike, and of course have fun. Everyone enjoys riding a motorcycle, so let's have fun. Number 5, I got this from Moses. Yeah, he said that he wished he knew that this wasn't going to be his last bike. It took him 4 of them for him to realize that it is unhealthy addiction. Yeah, as you plan to buy your first bike, just know it will not be your last bike. At some point, you will need to get some more, and hopefully you don't go this road that Moses took, buying another one after another one after another one. But anyway, the first bike will not be your last bike. Number 4, Colin said that he wished he knew that he will outgrow the small cc bike he bought. Yeah, many people will start with a small bike, with a small cc, about maybe 120 or 150, but as you keep on enjoying riding the bike and getting your skills upgraded, you realize that that is too small for you and you might outgrow very fast. Interesting, so many people said, yes, I've already outgrown my TNT 150. And this one was very interesting, where Kamunge Kamau said, I have outgrown my 400cc. Number 3, Washida Alex said he wished he knew that he was going to crash. And yes, at some point, you might end up crashing. It is important for you to have that at the back of your mind. But that is supported by another comment here from Musa, who said, quality gear is very important. Helmet, gloves, jacket, knee guard, and riding boots. Yeah, as much as we don't plan to crash, at some point it might happen. You might have an accident. So it is important for you to invest in good gear. Have the helmet, have the jacket, the gloves, the boots. Because you never know. When you have that crash, good quality gear saves lives. Number 2, somebody said that he wished he knew getting a loan to buy a non-commercial motorbike was the dumbest mistake he ever did in his 20s. Yeah, we might have different ways of financing our first motorbike, but of course the advice here is don't try to get a loan to finance your first motorbike. It might not be the best use of the loan. And number 1, this came like 100, so many people posted this and talked about, you need to know the availability of spare parts. Very important. How available are they? As you're buying your first motorbike, you might be enticed with the many brands that are there, some which are well known to be motorbike brands, while others are just new into the market. But how available are their spare parts? That is what you need to know before you buy that motorbike. I have my 250 and I had an incident where someone just jumped onto the road. I had to swerve and the pavement hit the brake lever. It got bent and cracked. Lucky for me, I got my bike from Bell Mobility. I just went to their warehouse and I got that lever easily. I tried going to the local boda repair shop and they told me, Hatuna hiyo, you have to go back to the company or the warehouse. And lucky for me, along Bagadi Road, I got my lever fixed. So those are the 5 things you need to know before you buy your first motorbike. Also, take a look at this other video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. And until next time, I'm out.